Unakanyaga kwanza. Unaingia.
So, breed in the which kind of breed is
this one? They are Kenchik layer.
Okay.
Kenchik layers.
Yeah.
They are the main for Kenchik layers. They are only for production of eggs.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. This one from the first day to the first day to 21 days, they are put in a brooder. Okay. Brooder system. Okay. A brooder system is whereby the chicks are converted in one area. Yeah. Okay. Whereby the chicks only need heat, feed, and water, which is vaccinated. After 21 days, you start enlarging the brooder system. There, if you had 800 chicks, you start opening for them to get more space. But for the first 21 days, all these chicks will be like one loud corner, one room. Yeah. The main activity when a farmer wakes up, you already wake up, you prepare the feed. This one is a pebe. We use pebe feeds. That is starter feeds. Then you go to grower feeds. Then you go to layer feeds, and they are ready to go.
And what exactly is what is the meal? What is mixed inside?
The meal, which is we buy it in the company. This one is
it's already mixed.
It's already mixed. Okay. Company mixed food. One sack goes for around 3,500 shillings. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now, what happens usually is you cost the money the hens should spend per day and the income they produce after you sell the egg.
Okay.
Yeah.
So like right now, the feeds, okay, per day, like how many kgs?
Per day, they feed on 7 sacks of feeds. Yeah. 7 sacks at 3,500, you see the total. Then, at the full day, total collection of eggs is 123. We shall go to the collection area and see the eggs where they are packed. Right now, this is our farm. We shall go to farm A, farm B, farm C, farm D, farm E. Yes. We have 5 farms, and then we shall go to each farm. Yeah, and then when they start laying, you debeak them. Debeaking.
The management practices. Right?
Yeah. Yes. Debeaking is done to avoid eating the eggs. But
and also biting each other.
And also biting each other. Yeah. Now this area is usually comfortable for them to lay eggs, because when each hen enters at its own pace, it will have its own free space and will be able to hatch in a comfortable zone. Yeah, only checking the water levels. This one are called drippers. Drippers are automatic. Yeah, for the water. So you see a dripper doesn't have water, it has failure. You come and adjust the knob. If you adjust the knob, the water will start coming automatically. The more you adjust the knob, the water comes. Yeah, yeah.
You said 7 bags per day.
Yeah, 7 bags of feed per day.
That's how many kgs your bag per bag?
It has 50 kgs per bag. Pepper feeds have 50 kgs per bag.
50 kgs per bag.
50 kgs per bag.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we can do a calculation of 3,500 times 7 bags per day, so that you can know the income the hens will provide for the farm. Yeah.
Okay. Wow. But so how do you control your pests and diseases?
Pesting and diseases, we usually, first of all, is disinfection. The way you have done entrance area, you first disinfect. Okay. Then, to avoid diseases, you segregate the chickens. I'll show you the segregation area where you give the dosage. The chicken, you see, if it has a problem like feathers falling, you remove the one chick and you put it in a dislocated place. There is a clinic like this one, should be vacated so that you can know what the cause of the feather falling. We shall go with it to another area also. Yeah.
And when you just come in, you just see a correct chicken. Like,
yeah.
If it's sick, you will know.
Yeah. Then in the water, that is when you start seeing the chicks are like feeling sleepy, you must see the water. We usually put some vaccines.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, some are to improve the calcium of the hen.
Okay.
Yeah, but mostly the vaccination of the chicks are done through the water system. I show you the products we use to make sure the hens are vaccinated in the right way.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how long can this serve you? Like how long can it keep giving you eggs?
This one, they usually go to one year and 2 months. 1 year and 2 months,
Okay.
probably.
After that, it's
Yeah, then after that you sell them for
for
meat.
meat.
Yeah, yeah.
Wow, you're doing a good job.
And the eggs, hen system is not a hectic way. Because in the morning, the farmer need only to put for them feed, then to ensure the drinkers have water, sufficient water, to check the egg size. When you see everything is in good control, you are ready to go to the next.
But I see some people they grow their own feeds.
Yeah, some people now are.
But that depends when you have the land.
Yeah, some people are now providing the same feeds,
Okay.
but there are areas with maize production, because these feeds are made through maize.
Yeah,
Maize plants.
Okay.
So these people who are able to make their own feeds, you must have some supplements. There is calcium needed in the hen. Then there is this, you see that there are maize, too much maize. You must have maize, and then you have the machinery. This one is why we are saying if the government can help the farmers to supplement some feeds at low price, it would be an advantage for the farm.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think we can move to
Farm B.
Farm B.
Yeah.
I see the prices of eggs now they're kind of dropping.
Yeah.
Wholesale around
400.
400.
400 per tray.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Before we usually sold them at 450,
Okay.
but now currently because of the market,
Yeah.
it's 400 per tray.
You didn't even introduce yourself.
By the way, my name is Ezekiel Mongetao.
Oh, Ezekiel.
I'm the young dog manager of this farm.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we're happy to meet with the young people who want to know about the farming skills in the farm.
Yes.
Yeah? Haziwezi zinaopaona huko nje. Saizi zote mnaona.
So this is the same breed.
Yeah, this one is the same breed. Now here we are in farm E. Here also we have 800 bags.
800 bags.
Yeah.
Same 800 bags.
Yeah, same 800 bags in A. We have each farm occupies around 800 to 600 hens. Yeah.
I see other people. You don't have broilers around.
No breeders. Currently we have breeders, but most of them breeders. The mortality rate of breeders is high because they sleep on each other. When they sleep on each other in the morning, you can meet like 10 of them are passed away. And that's a loss to the farm. Yeah.
So, like, how long have you guys been in the business?
We started this business in 2022. 2022, it's run by young people running the farm.
Okay,
Yeah.
Of course, we are now the generation that is going to push
the
the rest.
Yeah.
This is nice. So, the construction.
Yeah.
The
construction. This one is this one is half an acre of land. Half an acre of land where all the farming have been used. Okay. The cows, the pigs, the chicks, they are using have only 50 by 100 area. Where we have 4,000 chicks, 30 cows, and 50 pigs. Yeah. kuuliza nani Maina Ben.
So you need
Yeah.
For the warmth.
Yeah. When they are big, after they start rain, they don't need more light.
Okay.
Even at night, you switch off the lights because of electrical consumption. Okay. During the day, they use natural sun.
But at night they don't feel cold.
They don't feel cold because the only chicks which need light and because they eat too much are the breeder chicks. It's not like the ones which need light. You can see also where they lay the eggs in the morning side. Morning time is when they have the most. Yeah. Here they come one by one because of comfortability of the hen.
And so what can you say about
the job? Yeah, but the job only what I can advise the farmer. Yeah. Only the feeds, if the prices of the feeds and the feeds. If the feeds are sold at good price, even if you multiply the 3,500 and the 7 bags of feed, plus the 120 trays, 120 times 400 is around 120 times 400. We shall do the calculation. Why I'll show you. The farmer gets half the amount. If the chicks feed on the like 30,000, the farmer will get around 20 to 25,000 per day. It's a good job. Yeah.
But still, it's not easy because the
management. It's not easy, but with the management, because this we have employed two people who serve the chicken side. Okay. There are salary of 10,000 to 15,000 per person.
Okay. Yeah. But the whole farm, how many workers?
The whole farm, currently we have 4 workers. 2 at the cow section and 2 at the hen section. Okay. Yeah. So
they're still the same people managing the pigs and
no, we have different because the chicks need disinfection and need only if the chicks need hygiene more than the cows.
Okay, yes.
Yeah, the chicks need more hygiene more than the cows. Yeah.
Mostly the chicks, yes.
Yeah.
So at the moment you don't have chicks?
At the moment we don't have small chicks because they come at a section. We book. When you see these ones are almost remaining 1 month to stop laying eggs, you book from the hen chick. Okay. The yogurt, the breed.
So it's like you start afresh.
Yeah, you start afresh now. Yeah. All of them came at the same time. Yeah.